What's up, everybody? I'm Grayson Thompson, and this is...
I'm Beth.
We are the dynamic duo. We do some awesome stuff, or also known as the Thompson Five, right?
Correct.
Got a lot of things we go by, and we wanted to start a new series, really some quick videos, tips and tricks of things that we found with regards to businesses and different stuff that we have going on.
Money making, passive income.
Side hustles.
Yeah.
Really, that's it. And one of the things you're going to see here, we want to talk about just kind of the journey and just some quick videos for you to be able to look at and hopefully give you inspiration to do some of the things maybe that we're doing, an everyday person making stuff happen.
Yep.
So let's go ahead and get right into it. We do a lot.
First of all, how long are these going to be?
Okay, well, you're also known as producer Beth for other things because I do run another podcast and you help with all that. But I'm thinking 10 minutes. What do you
I like the 10 to 15 minute podcast. I do know that there is some podcasts that are like 45 minutes to an hour and a half long. And I just think they're too long.
Well, we're going to keep them short and sweet
So
here.
I think just get to the information and dive in. And that's what I like. Let's get to what is it, nitty gritty?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nitty gritty.
Well, we burnt a minute, so let's jump into it.
Cool.
All right, what do we do? What's our main project? What do we have going on? What's the big project today? What do the people want to hear about?
Amazon influencing.
That's right. Amazon influencing is what we do. You're going to see that through and through. The AIP program, Amazon influencing program, is what it is. So tell me about how you got involved with it, because you started this venture and I am just a part of it. And now I'm your lady.
Yes. So there's two parts of the Amazon influencing. You have the offsite and then you have the onsite. So offsite is like affiliates, like if you're sending your YouTube videos and they're having a link. And so then they're watching your YouTube video and then they're clicking a link for that product, then they're buying it. It's off-site, so it's off of Amazon, like you're posting to TikTok or you're posting to Instagram, things like that, Pinterest. Those are off-site sales, so that's your off-site affiliate. And then you have your on-site sales, which is the easiest one, which I think, and it's like the hidden gem. So this is where you are just making videos or reviews, as some people would say, not the 5-star reviews that you would just randomly do of, hey, I got this. I really like this hat. I'm going to do a 5-star review.
Yeah, don't get it twisted for that.
Yeah.
That is completely...
This is another where you have to be approved for the influencer program, and you get to post videos of like shoppable videos of products of around your house. And then it goes on to the product page of the item.
Yeah.
And then when people watch it, you get paid.
Yeah. So how long should the videos be? Tell me a little bit more about that.
I would say like 1 to 2 minutes is an average of what people do for the Amazon review videos. But you can definitely do less than that. You can also do more. So I've seen that, and we've done a couple 15-minute videos for products before. We've also done 45 seconds before. So it all depends, but that's kind of like the gist of it.
So, okay. So let's back up. Now that we've talked about on-site, off-site, just very high level, which we'll get into future videos, right? Tell the viewers, tell people how you discovered this, like how you discovered this world. Let's go back to the beginning. And again, we got limited time. Okay. So I need the 30,000 foot.
2020, during the shutdown, we started a TikTok. You went a little viral with some country singing. Our son made a debut. So we got a little viral. I don't post on TikTok really anymore.
No.
Barely any. So, but when I did that, I kind of saw the affiliate side of Amazon. I got invited to the Amazon influencer program of the affiliate side. For a little bit of that time, I did not know about the on-site reviews, so I didn't do it for like 3 years. So in 2024, I saw that all you have to do is post 3 videos, and then you wait and see if Amazon approves you after you're already an affiliate.
Okay.
Which
you were already in the program.
2 steps. Okay, back to the beginning. 2 steps. You have to get your social media approved by Amazon. So just Google Amazon Influencer Program, apply. Hit the apply button. You're going to link your social media. If you're approved already, wow, congrats. Like some people can't get it that quick, but then that automatically gets you in the door for the affiliate side. Once you're in that, you're going to have 3 videos and Amazon's going to say yay or nay. You get 3 tries for that.
3
and
tries.
We'll do another video about that.
I think we're going to break down each and every piece of this. We're just giving a little bit of the story. So in the next video, you can see, the nuts and bolts behind the 3 videos that you'd post, nuts and bolts about maybe behind like our recording area, social media. I mean, you name it. So, okay. So 2024, you got approved. because I'm a
Yep.
country singer, star,
Yep.
right?
I
All that
posted
good
my 3
stuff.
videos without even you knowing. And about 7 days later, Amazon approved me for on-site commissions. So then I had my on-site influencer associate ID and my off-site.
All right.
And so after that,
What was the first
started
video you
making
recorded?
videos.
What was the first video you recorded?
My first video was actually
Sitting right
that's
next to this
hilarious.
is
It's sitting right here. Is one of these cups here. So this is like it doesn't sell anymore. I think the company went out of business. So I can't even, I don't even think I make money from this anymore because it's not even available. But it's one of those cups where you actually like hang on your fridge so your kids can like get water and then get it by themselves.
I remember you recording a video of this, but I had no idea what you were doing and I never asked you. You were like trying to set up stuff and you were like to the side of our refrigerator and that's what they were hooked on. Like I remember that. I don't tell many people about that because you said you did it in secret, but I actually remember you like where you were doing it. And I didn't say anything. I had no idea what you were doing. And all of a sudden you're like, hey babe,
I
look
got
what I did.
I think I told you once I like had like 50 videos up and I was like, hey, you want to do this with me? So
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's cool. How long did it take? So you got approved. You did that whole scenario. You did your first 3 videos. How long do you think it took to make your first penny?
my first penny was probably like the second week.
Second week?
Man, even probably the first day. Because I will say my first month, I was just looking at this another time because I was on another podcast. I mean, the first month I made about $300. Second month, like 500, and it just kept going up. So it's very easy to start making money based on the products that you do the videos on.
Yeah, I remember sitting down and somebody was asking about this, and this was
Mhm.
like really new. And I was like, man, if she could only make $10 a day times 30 days, that is going to be awesome. That's $300 a month. That pays for groceries, right?
Yeah,
And it was
I
like,
remember that. I was like, I'll just pay for groceries or I'll just pay for diapers for the year, things like that. And now it's like we're paying,
a lot more.
gosh, our mortgage and food and
I
like,
mean, this covers
like,
our whole monthly expenses
yeah.
at this point in time. Yeah. And it's only growing and blooming from there
Yeah.
and opening up into new opportunities right at the day.
Yeah.
So what surprised you the most about like the Amazon influencer
I
program?
think
Like
the
what was
first
that?
thing that surprised me was, oh my gosh, it works.
Yeah.
Like how stupid is it that you can like make a video of something that you own, like a cup or as a toy next to me, or something so simple. Like you can make a video of it and then people watch these videos and then you get commission. So I just in the beginning, I think you were stunned, like, this is kind of a stupid idea. You're not gonna make any money from this. I remember that day. You're like,
Oh,
all
absolutely.
right, let's just try it. And I was like, okay, I just think that's gonna work. And I'm glad you listened after not believing me in the beginning.
Well, we also have, let's be honest, we have one friend that does no social media stuff. And he by far says this is the dumbest thing in the world. And it's still to this day, he stands to that.
But he's been
Right?
stunned with how much money we've made.
He's been stunned and we've given him products, right?
Yeah,
and I
he
think
gets a
that's
lot of free
hilarious. He
stuff.
gets a lot of free stuff. He's our best friend. And it's so funny because he's like, who watches videos? Like
Millions of people
who
watch this.
does? And I'm like, dude, this product was bought 100,000 times a month.
Yeah.
And there is 7 videos on it. And the chances of them watching it, because there's people like, I don't know what it looks like. I don't know what it tastes like. I don't know what it feels like.
Yeah.
And they want to know that
Well,
stuff.
and I think people go into like doom scrolling too on their phone and they might watch something. I think on your computer, you click on it and then the videos are right there. So it's like, of course, when you looked at the pictures, it's like that top carousel and you see the pictures of the product, then you hit the play button and sometimes they just come without you wanting them to come.
That is true. I've learned as I'm, assisting in this stuff, I've learned like how the videos are integrated with Amazon. They really want to push this aspect because brands don't do a really good job, especially with AI today. Brands don't do a good job of showing like the true integrity of an item.
Yeah.
And so that's what the Amazon influencer program is for, is to show the integrity of an item. Like when you're looking at this phone case, is it really this ombre color? Does it do the MagSafe? Is it chargeable, or does it do what it
actually
does?
see like the installation of a product from a consumer, not just a brand. So.
Yeah. And sky's the limit with regards to it. So tell us, and maybe I can answer this too, but tell us what you thought it was versus what it actually is from an Amazon influencer business perspective. Like, is it exactly what you thought it was, and now it is what it is, or do you have
I mean,
different
I think
perspectives
it's
today?
more than I thought it would be. Like, of course, more successful. I think my goal was 500 a month, and gosh, and yesterday we made 500 that day.
Yeah.
So it's just crazy how it's kind of blew my expectations from it. But I think what a lot of people get confused with, and they say like, hey, this is what I thought it is, and then I have to kind of debunk it, like that's not what it is the biggest thing is they think that they have to post on other social medias. They
Mhm.
need to
They need a
post,
following.
yeah, they need a big following on TikTok, they need a big following on Instagram. I'm like, I don't post any really things on social media. Maybe our Disney trips each year, I post pictures there, but I'm not a big social media like poster anymore. Like I just don't have time for it
No.
anymore just to post. So gosh, I don't think my friends and family knew we were doing this for 2 years. So, I mean, this
Yeah.
is kind of like you don't have to let the world know what you're doing for this business.
No, no, it's something you can do behind the
Yeah,
scenes. You don't have to be out there. Like I said, you don't need the following. Believe it or not, we did not need a TikTok following.
correct.
So, especially in proof today that you've
And
helped
we didn't get
countless
approved on
people. Yeah, you've helped countless people get approved
with
for this.
less than 100
Less than
followers.
100
Yeah.
followers. I think there's attraction that is created within the programs. I
Yeah.
think there's so much more. So having that, having an understanding of that today versus where we were at then, and just telling people like you don't need something crazy, right? It's not crazy, and you don't have to have a following to post it out. You don't need to
But you thought I was
utilize.
crazy because, like, what did you think when I first said I was doing them?
Oh, I thought this was crazy.
Yeah.
I thought this was crazy. But I've become the reviewer that I feel like I was as a consumer,
That you wanted to
that I
see.
wanted
Yeah.
to see,
Yeah.
the stuff I want to see. Again, going back to understanding, is this product really what it bakes out to be? And here's the
Yeah.
funny one. And we'll again, we're running over, producer Beth. You see the time, right? And
No.
you see how
We have
this
like
goes.
I said max 15.
Max 15. Okay. So I remember we had the camping salt. This is my story for everybody.
This is your
Salt and
story.
pepper shaker.
I think I bought it from travel, so I could like travel with this.
No, no, let's be honest. Okay, we had salt and pepper shaker. It's the old ones. They look like chess pieces. The
Mhm.
clear, they have an S and a P, and they have like the little plastic top, right? And I feel like I should pause the video and go get it, but I'm not. Okay, so one fell off the stove because that's where we keep our salt and pepper. One fell off the stove and cracked.
Yep.
Okay, we use these. I mean, since we started married, we use these, right? You ordered brand new ones.
And they were
They come in and they were literally like an inch and a half tall.
and you would have wished that you saw the video or a picture showing that it was the mini size that you ordered instead of the regular size, right?
Nowhere in the description did it say it was miniature size salt and pepper shakers. And you know what's also funny about it all is we forgot because it came in a package literally so small. We set it to the side because we were so frustrated with it. We never returned it.
Yeah.
So we spent $7 on this item that we actually, I don't even know where it's at. We don't even use it.
Yeah,
And it's kind of funny. It's kind of funny, like
But I
in
reviewed it and then tossed it.
yeah, like, but it's just kind of funny how that all works and just the story behind this and where we
Mhm.
get to and where you're going. So
Well,
there's
and
so
I
many
think the
things.
biggest thing is if you recommend products to people, you can do this program. Like if you go to
Mhm.
someone's house and like and you're wearing a shirt and they're like, "Oh my gosh, I want that shirt." And you're like, "Oh, I'll send you my Amazon link."
Bam.
You
That's
that
it.
literally like you could have just done a review video of this and then they could have just watched your video.
Yep.
So,
And now you'd
anyone
be
can do
making
this.
money.
Yeah, anyone can do this. You can make videos of kid toys, things in your bathroom, living room, and that can be another video of like top 100 things to do. So,
Absolutely. Absolutely, guys. Well, hopefully you have enjoyed some of the intro to this and where we come from, the dynamic duo review team, the Thompson Five, who we are. And we're going to provide so much more insight in quick spurts to you guys. And hopefully you're able to find success in whatever it might be. Now, what you also don't want to miss, she is the queen of side hustles. So it's not going to just be Amazon influencing programs. You do so much more.
might be
So
more.
hopefully we open up the doors for you guys to make a couple extra bucks at home, whether that's paying for groceries, your
Yep.
kids' tuition, your car bill, your
Well,
home bill,
and having fun while you do it. Yeah.
and having fun. Guys, we hope you enjoyed it.